Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In a previous video, we put together this project to show how we can use Prism to help us implement the MVVM architecture. In this series of videos, we will go from using this initial project to converting it into this without Prism. We'll have a data grid to show the list of structures that's in the selected structure set. We will have this same ability to select a structure and then change that selected structure's color. But instead of doing this all with Prism, we'll have our own implementation of the things that are built into .NET so that we won't have to rely on such a robust dependency in the event that we either can't or don't want to. There are a few things that I want to go over though. We've already gone over what the new project will look like. We're not really going to touch on reasons why, but once you've come to the conclusion that you don't want to use Prism, we need to talk about how we're going to replace it. Instead of their delegate command, we're going to have our own implementation of iCommand. Instead of using Prism's pub/sub event for communication between views and view models, we're going to use event handlers and actions. I'll give an example of both, and then you can make your own decision as to which you'd prefer to use. And then for updating the view, which is where we'll start, we will have our own implementation of INotifyPropertyChanged. Once we've done everything with that, we'll probably have the same project using the community toolkit. So we'll go over that and see how you can use that to replace even your own implementation. To start, we're going to have our own implementation of INotifyPropertyChanged. This is a substitution for Prism's bindable base. And for that, I would highly recommend this video by Singleton Sean. For communication between views and view models, this is the substitution for Prism's pub/sub event. I would highly recommend these three videos. There's plenty more, but these are three that I found useful. One by CodeMonkey, another by Singleton Sean, and then another by Taro Dev. For the substitution of delegate commands, I would highly recommend these two videos, one by David Anderson and another by Singleton Sean. Then for styling the data grid, this is the video that I referenced for that. So if you want to learn more about that, then that would be a good resource. So that will be the end of this one. In our next video, we will have our own implementation of INotifyPropertyChanged. And with that, we'll see you in the next one.